Welcome once again to What's New in O Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we feature new releases from Lionel trains, MTH electric trains, and more. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Lionel trains will be releasing the new 2025 Big Book catalog on January 15th. Stay tuned for a special episode on this channel later this week with a closer look at the catalog items. Lionel Trains will be producing an exclusive limited run of its Visionline J1E Hudson steamers in Santa's North Pole Express colors for Train World. The models are expected to arrive in time for Christmas 2025 with a list price of $1899.99, but a special discount is available on the Train World webpage. Follow the link in the video description for details. Lionel Trains has announced the production of a limited edition Aberdeen, Carolina and Western PS5 Gondola for exclusive distribution by the Metropolitan Division of the Train Collectors Association. The car is expected to arrive in late 2025 with an early order price of $119.99. Lionel Trains is producing a special Sherwin Williams 8,000-gallon tank car for the 2025 Lionel Operating Train Society convention. The cars are priced at $89.99 exclusively for LOTS members. The cars are expected to arrive by August 2025. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2025 Premier O-Scale Dash 840 CW diesel locomotives in Santa Fe, BNSF, Conrail, CSX, and Norfolk Southern schemes next spring. Each item will be limited in production and is expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in June 2025. Each road name will be available in 2 numbers and comes with a suggested retail price of $629.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Scale ALCO RS1 diesel locomotive decorated for Salem and Hillsborough for exclusive distribution by EZ Catch. The locomotive will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in April 2025. The early order price is $389.99. MTH Electric Trains has also announced a Rail King O-Scale ALCO RS1 diesel in Milwaukee road colors exclusively for Mr. Muffin's trains. The locomotive will be available in 2 cab numbers, each in extremely limited quantities beginning in April 2025. The early order price is $379.95. And MTH has also announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King RS1 diesel decorated for Southern Railway for exclusive distribution by the Train Loft. The locomotive will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in April 2025. The early order price is $409.95. Keep warm on these cold winter nights with these railroad-themed blankets, now available from Amazon. Follow the link in the video description for more information. And remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from some of the links in this video. And join us next Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern for another edition of What's New in O Gauge. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.